Most people think saving and investing are the same thing, but they're not. And if you don't understand the difference, you might be using your money the wrong way. Some people save too much and never grow their money. Others invest too early without understanding the risks. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between saving and investing in the simplest way possible. This is lesson number 2 in your beginner investing course. If you haven't watched lesson 1 yet, I highly recommend starting there. We talked about inflation and why money can lose value over time. My name is Jonathan. I've been investing for about 9 years, and this channel is here to help beginners learn investing the smart way. In this lesson, you'll understand when to save, when to invest, and how to think about both correctly. Let's start with saving. Saving is simply putting money aside to keep it safe. The main purpose of saving is not to grow your money, it's to protect it. For example, emergency fund, rent, monthly expenses, short-term needs. Saving gives you stability. It gives you peace of mind. It helps you handle unexpected situations. But saving has a limitation. Your money usually doesn't grow much, and because of inflation, it can even lose value over time. So if saving is about protection, then what is investing? Investing is putting your money into assets that may grow over time. The main purpose of investing is to grow your money over the long term. Examples include stocks, ETFs, index funds, and other investments. So here's the key difference. Saving equals safety. Investing equals growth. But there's something very important you need to understand about investing. Investing involves risk. Your money can go up, but it can also go down. And this is where many beginners get confused. They want growth, but they don't want risk. In reality, risk and reward usually go together. Higher potential return, higher risk. Lower risk, lower potential return. This doesn't mean you should avoid investing. It means you need to understand it. Another key difference is something called time horizon. Time horizon means how long you plan to keep your money invested. If you need money in the short term, saving is usually more appropriate. If you're thinking long term, investing becomes more relevant. Simple way to think about it: short term, save; long term, consider investing. When I started, I didn't fully understand this. I either saved too much or took risks I didn't understand. Over time, I learned that both saving and investing are important. They just serve different purposes. So let's summarize. Saving protects your money. Investing grows your money. Saving is for short-term needs. Investing is for long-term goals. Saving has low risk. Investing involves risk. Smart money management is not choosing one over the other. It's knowing when to use each. If you're learning something new, make sure to subscribe and follow the full course. And tell me in the comments, are you currently saving, investing, or not sure yet? In the next lesson, we'll talk about the stock market and how it actually works. Keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next lesson.